Hello YouTubers, Poshers, IG family, Mercari supporters, resellers, day in the life followers, everybody. Just want to come on here and do a tutorial video on how to use Kidizen. So this is the app on the home page. We're going to click it to open it. It's basically an app dedicated to children, kids, and mothers. And basically you can find clothing, accessories, and different types of toys also for children and mothers. So let's get to, this is the features section. Basically they're showing what's trending, the categories: girl, boy, baby, toys, media, books. They have some notifications up top about COVID and whatnot. They have different brands, the credit referral program. I'm excited. I'm going to calm down. I'm a little excited. And they have a gift card program. My feed should be empty because I just joined, so I'm not really following anyone yet. So anywho, that's the feature homepage. If we go to shop, it'll pull up again the different categories you can shop by. I do like, and we'll see this later when I go to post something, how instead of just only being limited to a male or female gender, that they also allow you to post for both genders. So I think that's really cool. That way, if something is unisex, you can say, oh, you know, little girls and little boys can fit this. So it's pretty neat. I'm going to skip sale for now. I'm going to go to alerts. They show you when people have purchased items, when they've declined your purchases, like that one right there, and your orders that are currently in queue, as well as alerts and updates. And then you go to me. So this is your site. This is your landing page where basically you can add in, you know, your logo, your username. It'll show your followers and who you're following. If you have any money like pending, it'll be next to the little piggy. You can add a blurb about who you are and whatnot. There are messages, orders, invite friends, earn cash. That's the referral program. And again, if we go down, you can see all the things in this area that you have posted. These are all items. Those should not say free shipping. I'm going to have to go back and update those. These are all items that basically I currently have for sale. I'm honestly really thankful for finding out about this app through someone I follow on Instagram, because I have a lot of children's clothes that I won from an auction and they don't move for me on Mercari or POSHMARK, so I just stopped posting them, honestly. So to have come across this app and been able to like sell 3 things within 2 days of being on here, I was like, okay, this is awesome. This is going to light a fire under my keister to post the kids' clothes that I have. So let's get to the good stuff, you guys. I'm just checking my time. So we're going to click sell. It's the middle button. It's very similar to Mercari. And so you see add listing and it says add photo. Once you click add photo, you can take a photo right then and there, or you can choose existing. I'm going to choose existing. I'm going to go to my camera roll and I'm looking for something that we can post kind of quickly. I like this dress, so that's what we're going to do. Unlike Mercari, on this phone at least, I don't know about iOS, on this phone I can't select multiple pictures at once. So it's good to have it kind of like in your recent area and, you know, be able to easily and readily access whatever it is that you're trying to post. So let me zoom in. All right, so this is the item that we're selling. I honestly don't know the brand, so I'm actually going to have to go to my gallery in my apps. Here we go. Okay, so that's called Youngland. It's a size 24 months. All right, so we can go back here. So in the title, Young Land, I would say, I know that style, and of course it's not coming to me now. I would just say Young Land scrunch flower dress. That's what I'll say. Scrunch flower dress. And there was a character limit when I first started posting, but lately I have, oh, yep, there it is. So you see I'm pressing spacebar. You can't do anymore. So maybe I'll just say Youngland flower dress, 24 months. Actually, I'll just do months. Hopefully you understand what that means. And then I'll select all, copy, and I paste it down here. Youngland flower, I'll actually add in scrunch dress, 24 months. And then I'll add in all the colors. Usually I say multicolored. Why isn't it? Oh yeah, like I'm thinking I can press enter here. I cannot. So multicolored. And then I'll list all the colors. So green, blue, white, purple. And there's a little bit of pinkish purple. So we'll put pink. And we'll leave it at that actually. So go to category, kid clothing. So let's go back. These are all the categories. So once you open up categories, you see kid clothing, shoes, accessories, books and toys, baby essentials, diaper bags and carriers, room and nursery, maternity, mama clothing, mama shoes, mama accessories, and so on. So I'm just going to open these up to show you what it shows. So, you know, normal kid clothing items. The things that really stood out to me were the diaper bags and carriers. I thought that was really cool that they have a category for those. The baby essentials, so feeding, traveling, soothing. So if you're also selling like breastfeeders or breast pumps or milk holders and containers and travel containers, those are there. Baby essentials. Room and nursery, so you can also sell home decor items on here, which is amazing. Bedding, decor, other. Maternity, these are for the moms, which is pretty sweet. So, you know, you're not just thinking about the kids, maybe the moms also want something. And then it says mama clothing here. So I'm guessing this is after you've had your child and maybe your body's bigger than it used to be, smaller than it used to be, or you're adjusting, anything like that. That's the category. Then mama shoes and accessories. So we're going to go back to kid clothing. Dresses, we'll hit that blue check mark. For gender, we're going to hit girl, hit the blue check mark. For size, we're looking for 24 months, so that's the 18 to 24 months right there. And these are the categories, so baby, toddler, little kid, and big kid. So that's also awesome because if you sell juniors clothing, you can also post on this website. So baby, 18 to 24 months. Brand, I don't know if they'll have Youngland. You can't search for brands, you have to go by the letter. That's the only other potential hassle you might have, but my brand isn't on here, so you can skip that part. Condition. So this website is also focused on used items, like heavily, so that's why you see the different conditions: new with tags, new without tags, excellent, like new, no visible wear, very good, minor wear, good, some wear and or minor flaws, and play, some wear spots and or holes but still in usable condition. This is excellent. It's like new with no visible wear. We'll hit that blue check mark. And then it says, does your list price include shipping, yes or no? So you can choose yes or no if you want to include the shipping. I'm going to say no. This dress is under 8 ounces. So this is also a very helpful scale here. So they show you the cost of what it would be per ounce, and then under 2 pounds. So if you're shipping something like shoes, and then you can also go by weight if you're doing something a little more intense, like, you know, the home decor, maybe mama items, or a big bundle. And then they also have advanced options down here for a flat rate envelope. So anywho's, I'm going to click on small, click on estimate shipping. That's that. And over here to the left under list price, it says suggestion. So once you click that, you see that the app suggests a price you should list the item at. So usually I'll just use that price unless I think maybe it should be a little lower. For this particular dress, it's in really good condition. I'm going to go with $14. And then if someone wants to maybe make an offer, then that's fine. So we'll go with that, and I'm just going to move that over so it'll update what my fee will be. Okay, so you see here it has the listing price. It changed it back to 19. That's fine, we'll leave it there for now. And it shows you how much you make. So after they take their seller fees, that's what you make. So I'm going to click create my listing, and that's just going to load. It'll pull the listing up, and eventually once you go back to your home page, you should be able to scroll down past your profile information in your intro, your landing page, and then see exactly where your new item has appeared. And I'm trying to talk longer than the loading page so I don't have to insert a speeding up clip. This is taking a long time all of a sudden, you guys. I'm just gonna click done. Don't know if that'll help. Of course, while I'm recording a video, it wants to take 10 days. Awesome, here we go. So this is the live listing, you guys. You can scroll through the pictures. That's similar to POSHMARK and Mercari. And if you scroll down, You can see the condition, you can see the details, and you can see more from this shop. So that's really, really cool. Another thing you can do is go into featured in these collections and go into collections and whatnot, but I think I'm going to save that for another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let us know. Bye-bye.